Hello everybody and welcome to day 120 of this Jaguar step restoration. It's now time to de-rust the rear subframe front mounting points. Obviously those discs are meant to be used on a drill and not with that kind of high rotation, which causes lots of vibration. Unfortunately, it makes this very difficult to handle. I don't want to grind through this wiring harness, so let's try to get this out of the way. Voila! Seems I can save the original paint from here on. Whenever I hit an edge, this gets a little out of control. No, I didn't want to hit it here. So at least the mounting area is properly cleaned up and there's not even fitting here. Can see rust, but unfortunately paint bubbles. Okay, here the paint just dissolved from the sink ground, which I want to save. Of course here's rust and this has to be cleaned up entirely. Ouch! I will keep this portion untouched, with the exception of the spot welds, of course. And now let's try to get this area cleaned up as well, using one of those slightly bigger flap wheels. With the rust removed now I can see that there's pitting here as well. Those spot welds require something even smaller. I'm afraid today's video won't end with a big achievement, but maybe I can get at least those two mounting brackets detached. Just figured out how this is done on the upper one, I guess. Nevertheless, it doesn't want to come out because there's the same mechanism, the same tab on the opposite side as well. And here we go. The pull and twist method made it happen. Maybe this can help around the weld as well. it made the weld look a little better, but I will need rust converter here anyways. That's again been what we would call a lost day without any major achievement, besides removing those two mounting brackets. Yeah, if you nevertheless enjoyed the video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.